Hey Broncos, welcome to Bronx Community College. Let's get you started for a successful semester here at BCC. The course modalities or modes of instruction are as follows: in-person, hybrid, and fully online. So here's a bit about in-person learning and how you can succeed in this modality. All required class meetings will occur on campus, and meeting days and times will be listed in the schedule of classes on CUNY First. Succeed in your in-person courses by arriving on time, eliminating distractions by removing headphones and avoiding texting, participate in class discussions, and take effective notes. So let's get into hybrid courses. These courses are designed to integrate face-to-face and online activities to reinforce and complement one another. Simply put, some of your in-person meeting times will be replaced with online activity. Meeting days and times are listed in the schedule of classes. For success in your hybrid courses, keep track of in-person and online meeting dates. Maintain good participation both online and in person, and make note of important deadlines. Online courses may use one of the following modes of instruction. The first is synchronous, which will require you to log into your virtual learning platform such as Blackboard or Zoom at the designated day and time indicated on the schedule of classes. Asynchronous classes will not require you to log into your virtual learning platform at a specific time. Coursework is to be completed independently by the due dates on the course syllabus. Put your best foot forward in your online classes by logging in on time, setting alarms for your classes, jotting down assignments in a planner, and keeping up with your due dates. If you have issues with your online courses, seek help from technical support by emailing tsc@bcc.cuny.edu and also from your advisors and peer mentors. Here are some tools that you'll need throughout the semester, beginning with the class syllabus. This will list your class meeting times, assignment deadlines, and your professor's contact info. Next is the academic calendar, which will have important dates and reminders to keep in mind. You'll also want to check out the online bookstore for textbooks and other course materials. And lastly, keep up with your BCC technology credentials and store them in a safe place. Check out our technology playlist on YouTube for tutorials on claiming and using all of your BCC credentials. Click the subscribe button to keep up with all videos from the FYP peer mentors. Now we can't go without giving you tips for starting strong in the beginning of your semester. Maintaining good attendance is crucial to your performance in your courses, so be sure to attend your classes regularly. No attendance or participation in the first 3 weeks of a class results in a WN grade, which removes you from the course. A WN grade may affect your full-time status, which could result in financial liability and reduce your financial aid. You'll also want to establish good communication with your Success Network. If you have questions or concerns throughout the semester, reach out to an advisor, professor, or peer mentor. Here are some things to have squared away by the first week of your semester. You first want to claim your Bronco ID, which is your BCC student email address. You will then want to access your BCC student email by signing into Microsoft Outlook. This will allow you to send and receive all school-related emails. Next, check your CUNY First account for your class schedule and any outstanding to-do items. Lastly, explore Blackboard and learn to navigate the site, as this will be the primary learning management system used for classes. Last but not least, check your BCC emails regularly for updates from the BCC offices in your Success Network. Download the Microsoft Outlook app to have your emails delivered directly to your phone. We've reached the end of this video. Head to the description box for links to the academic calendar, the virtual bookstore, and all other resources mentioned in this video. Thanks for watching!